welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm making some pancakes. So let's start. First, let's put on the egg, and then oof, that's a bit messy. And then let's put some oil or whatever that is. Alright, let's put the oil. Then let's put some whatever that is. Is that flour? I don't know. Okay, don't worry about that. Just getting scissors. Right. Let's put in the whole bag. And oof, I think I made it a bit too small. Mm, it's not letting out everything, but still working, I guess. Looks like Mom's gonna handle this. Bigger cut. Okay, now I can just let out everything. Put in some milk, and then oh, I forgot. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell for more videos. Funny how I didn't say that. Okay, let's mix it with a fork. Mix it up until it looks like I don't know, batter, is that what you call it? If it's spilled. Just add a little more milk because it's not enough. Maybe add the whole thing. Mixing. I just cut that part so you don't have to see the whole mixing part. Okay, wipe that off a little bit and then yeah, then let's heat up the stove. Let's put in the butter so it has that buttery taste in it. Make sure to put it all around. I don't have the exact measurements on how much it put. By the way, the oil is just like a spoon, a normal spoon, tablespoon. I don't know what kind of spoon that is, but I'm sure I use it on the table. So put in the batter thing, and then just wait for a while. I'm gonna cut the recording so it could be a little faster. You don't have to wait a lot. And then scoop it up and then turn it upside down. Yeah, there's gonna be another upcoming cut. Okay, now let's put it on the plate. not a perfect circle, but it's good enough. By the way, before I actually made an apple-shaped pancake without even realizing it up until like looked at it closely. But too bad I already ate it. I did save it for this video. I didn't expect I was gonna make a channel. So yeah, that one's done. Then we'll be making another pancake, and then I'll be also making another one for my dad. And my mom's not gonna eat any because she doesn't want to for some reason. Okay, just wait. It's gonna be good. And then, ooh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Even though it's not gaming or drawing, it's just something I wanted to show. Bye.